WAGO relays and optocouplers. Relays play a crucial role in the long-term functionality of lighting in office buildings. While in the past mostly conventional lights have been used, today most modern lights with LED drivers are used. These consume significantly less electricity, thus saving costs. LED drivers are capacitive loads which, when switched on, briefly reach significant current peaks of up to 100 times the nominal current. In comparison, conventional lights only show a maximum 10 times the nominal current. Although this peak only lasts a few microseconds, the relay contacts can weld together in this time window. This makes the relay unusable, which caused the lighting control system in the building to fail. To avoid this, let's take a closer look at the contact material. Special contact materials such as HESNO2 can reduce the effects of welding. Due to its brittleness, the weld is more likely to break when pulled by the mechanics than with less brittle materials, such as HENI. High-strength tungsten can also be used for maximum inrush peaks. There is no welding here. On the other hand, tungsten has the disadvantage of increased contact resistance. Now the contact material must be adapted to the design of the lighting control system. This depends on the respective LED driver and the planned number of luminaires to be switched. For that reason, we at WAGO use two contacts that work in parallel for an optimal result. The first contact, made of tungsten, absorbs the current peak. The second switching contact, made of a highly conductive silver alloy, then manages the operating current. Relays from WAGO guarantee safe operation around the clock and a long service life for all components. That not only makes users in the building happy, but also the scheduler. Using relays, optocouplers, and SSR modules from WAGO to manage short current peaks with ease.